Welcome to SouthDelhiFloors Property Vlogs. So today we are doing a video tour of a 500 square yards 4-bedroom apartments in SAKET, South Delhi. It's on a very wider road and peaceful location and a park facing property. Let's see the layout plan of this property before we begin the video tour. It's a 500 square yards property in J Block, SAKET, South Delhi. It's a very modern elevation. This property is located on a very wider road. There's a park in the front and it's a very peaceful location. The stilt car parking area has a separate gated driveway for 3 cars for each floor. This is the main entrance lobby for first, second and third floor. It's a gearless automatic door chandelier lift with touch buttons. Now let's see the first floor of this property. Now let's begin the property tour from inside. This is the main entrance of the floor. The entrance foyer is very wider and spacious and gives you a very open feeling when you enter the house. Flooring in living room, family lounge, lobbies, passages and all bedrooms have been done with 20 mm thick imported European marble. This is the spacious drawing room. This super luxury builder floor apartment has remote controlled motorized curtains in every room. It is a very spacious drawing room and the size is 26 by 15 feet. Whole apartment has Daikin VRV air conditioning. Throughout the flat, in every room there is a designer false ceiling with curves and diffused lighting. This is the main balcony. It is very spacious and has an open sit-out area. For exteriors, in every room, UPVC doors and windows have been provided, which are double glazed to provide sound resistance. All the inside flush doors are 45 mm thick with a matte finish veneer. The size of this property is 500 square yard and the flat is about 2700 square feet plus balconies and has 4 good sized bedrooms. This is an imported modular kitchen with lots of shelves and drawers. All appliances such as chimney, hob, built-in microwave and oven, refrigerator and dishwasher are by Siemens. Now let's have a look at the master bedroom. Premium quality wooden flooring has been provided in this bedroom. Being the master bedroom, this bedroom is very spacious and the size is 17 by 13 feet. Let's have a look at the ensuite closet and the attached bathroom. This is the attached bathroom with stunning bathtub and super luxury bathroom fittings. Being the master bathroom, it's a very decent sized bathroom and the size is 15 by 8 feet. In every bathroom, imported European stones and marble have been used for flooring and wall cladding. These are the best-in-class wardrobes with ample storage spaces. This is the powder room or guest toilet. The size of this powder room is 7 by 6 feet. Wow, what a stunning bathroom it is. It's a beautifully crafted POOJA niche. Now, let's have a look at the second bedroom. Another USP of this property is that every bedroom has a balcony attached to it and there is a different style of wardrobe. Carcass of all the wardrobes are pre-laminated for permanent and smooth finish. Adequate storage spaces such as drawers and shelves are provided in every wardrobe. The size of this bedroom is 16 by 12 feet. Hetic, Hafal and grass hardware have been used. There are automatic LED lights inside every wardrobe. This is the attached bathroom. The size of this bathroom is 11 by 6 feet. All the bathrooms have white basins and wall-mounted WCs with concealed systems. Now let's have a look at the spacious family lounge. This spacious and well-ventilated family lounge is a perfect place to spend time with family and friends. The size of this lobby is 15 by 11.5 feet. Now let's have a look at the third bedroom of this super luxury 4-bedroom apartment. It is a fully legal construction with completion certificate. The size of this bedroom is 15.5 by 12 feet. This property has been built as per Vastu Shastra and also comes with a Vastu compliance certificate from Vastu Kala. This is the attached bathroom with this bedroom. Every bathroom is decorated with different style of vanity. The size of this bathroom is 11 by 7.5 feet. This bathroom also has one button press steam shower system. In every bathroom, single lever CP fittings by Hansgrohe and Jaguar have been used. Also in every bathroom, a hand shower and a full rain shower by Hansgrohe has been provided. Another USP of this property is that every bathroom has a different style of stones used. This is the 4th bedroom of the property. Adequate electric points are provided for side tables and TV unit. Electricity saving LED panel lights are provided in every room with manufacturer's warranty. The size of this bedroom is 16 by 12 feet. Now let's have a look at the bathroom. Beautifully designed vanities with mirrors are provided in every bathroom. The size of this bathroom is 8 by 10 feet. To provide ample security, a super strong steel reinforced door with 15-point locking system has been provided.